Hello, writers! Welcome back to Write Like a Pro. In today's lesson, we are going to practice narrative writing by creating a story called The First Day at a New School. This topic is perfect for learning how to describe feelings and emotions. As we write, we will focus on nervousness, excitement, fear, confidence, happiness. Let's plan our story first. Character: Emma, a 12-year-old girl. Setting: a new middle school. Problem: Emma doesn't know anyone and feels nervous. Solution: she makes a new friend and feels comfortable. First, we will write beginning of the story. A new school year had just begun, and Emma stood outside the large school building. Her hands felt cold, and her stomach was full of butterflies. She looked around at groups of students chatting and laughing together. Everything seemed unfamiliar. Emma took a deep breath and walked through the front doors. Although she was excited about starting a new school, she also felt nervous because she did not know anyone. Notice how we described Emma's feelings: butterflies in her stomach, nervous, excited. These emotional details help readers connect with the character. Now we will write middle of the story. As Emma entered her classroom, she quietly chose a seat near the back. She watched the other students talking to their friends and felt lonely. During the first lesson, her teacher asked everyone to introduce themselves. Emma stood up and spoke softly. She worried that her classmates might not like her. At lunchtime, Emma sat alone at a table. She looked around the cafeteria and wished she could find someone to talk to. In the middle of the story, the problem grows stronger. Emma experiences loneliness, worry, uncertainty. These emotions create conflict in the story. Let's write the climax of the story. Just as Emma was finishing her lunch, a girl named Mia walked over and smiled. "Hi, may I sit here?" she asked. Emma nodded happily. The two girls started talking and quickly discovered that they both loved reading books and drawing pictures. For the first time that day, Emma felt herself relax. The climax is the turning point. Emma's biggest problem begins to change when she meets a friendly classmate. Let's write the ending of the story. By the end of the school day, Emma no longer felt nervous. She and Mia walked out of school together, chatting and laughing. As Emma got into her mother's car, she smiled. Her first day had started with fear and uncertainty, but it ended with friendship and confidence. Emma couldn't wait to return to school the next day. Great job, writers! In this story, we learned how to show emotions through narrative writing. Remember, strong stories don't just tell what happened, they show how the characters feel. See you in the next narrative writing story practice lesson. Write